Our troops have played a historical role in this country, in keeping it stable, in giving people a sense of security, a sense of long-term perspective on their country. The Balkans, as I said, has been a real tough place, especially in the last few years. And the fact that this country was the one country able to separate from the former Yugoslavia without a shot being fired and to keep it that way is a real testimony to what our guys have been able to do here. In the late 19th century, there was something called the Macedonian question. It was something that European diplomats all talked about, and it was really one of the major themes in the 1878 Congress of Berlin. And at the time, they resolved to sort of give Macedonia back to the Ottoman Empire, and that was followed by 30-some-odd years of a lot of violence as the various states in the region were considering how they could eventually take over Macedonia. And finally it was settled, at least for the time being, at the Treaty of Versailles after World War I. And then after World War II, this part of geographic Macedonia became part of a state called Yugoslavia. And as we all know, that state broke up. And so, lo and behold, there was an independent country called Macedonia. So it's been a very tumultuous 20th century, and I would say that Macedonian question was never really quite answered until now. And I think the importance of the U.S. here is finally to answer that question, that it'll be an independent state, that it'll be a secure and stable element in an otherwise high-crime neighborhood, that is the Balkans.
We have very good relations with American peacekeepers. I've been serving now here 1 year, and there has been 3 battalions, US battalions, and the relations between all these battalions and NORPAT has been excellent. We have practiced this kind of peacekeepers exchange. If we first look at the area of responsibility, which starts from the east, from this line, and covers the area down here to Greece border.
And these are the area what we are monitoring. This is the border bridge between Macedonia and Serbia. And this is the UN patrol line. There is no official border between these countries. It goes along that river. Up here there is border cross between 3 countries: Albania, Serbia and Macedonia. It's about 3 kilometers from here.